up in the morning light, the sun hurts my eyes. Something without warning love was heavy on my mind. Then I look at you, and the world seems alright with me. Just try and look at you, and you know it's gonna be. Hello everyone! So we finally made it to the south of Harris. We spent around a week in the north of Harris. We went for a few hikes, and we went to the Isle of Scots, where there is a really cool lighthouse. But I didn't vlog much because it rained a lot and I didn't want to get the camera, ruined. So we spent a lot of time inside the van, which I don't mind, to be honest, because I really like reading. So this morning we went for a little coffee at a place called the Temple Cafe, which is near, I forgot, but I'll put the link down below. And it's such a lovely place. I had seen that on a vlog of a guy that tours with a motorhome, which I forgot the name of, but I'll put it on the description box if I can remember. And it's such a gem of a place, really, really magical. It's the kind of place that I like, where it's like very chilled and everything is wood and stone. It was very, very nice. And today, it was supposed to rain until Saturday, and it's not raining, and actually there's a sun coming out right there. So I'm gonna try and make the most of it and go for a little packraft around here, because it looks very nice. And yeah, and tonight there's a Ceilidh. I've seen that there's Ceilidhs every Wednesdays on Tarbet, which is a town nearby. So I'm gonna go and see if that's on, because I love Ceilidhs. If you're ever in Scotland, then you should definitely try and go to one. But yeah, let's see if the tide comes up so we can go for a little paddle. Seem to know the way. Then I look at you, and the world seems alright with me. Just one look at you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day. Lovely day, 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 lovely day. So we are back, and that was really, really fun, but the wind was coming directly on against us, so I was trying to get to the other side of the beach, and that did not work out. And the water wasn't any higher than 30 centimeters. It was quite fun. But now I got changed, and I think I'm ready for my little Ceilidh. And it's been a long time since I've been to Ceilidh, so I'm really looking forward to it. And if it's not on, I'm gonna be gutted. But yeah, if it's on, I'll try and film something when I'm in. Otherwise, I'll see you the next time. Bye! Bye, lovely beach! Bye!